Have you ever encountered the "too many attempts, please try again later" error on Telegram? In this video, I'll explain why this issue happens and how you can fix it on both Android and iPhone. This error usually appears when you try to enter your phone number too many times within a short period. Telegram temporarily restricts access to protect its servers and prevent suspicious activity. Let's go through the solution step by step. Solution 1. Wait it out. The simplest fix is to wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before trying again. If you repeatedly attempt to log in, Telegram may extend the temporary block, so it's best to pause and try later. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. If you don't want to wait or the issue continues, try clearing the app cache. Press and hold the Telegram app, go to App Info, then open Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Also make sure all necessary app permissions are enabled from the Permissions section. Solution 3. Use a VPN. In some cases, regional or temporary server restrictions may trigger this error. You can try using a VPN. Download a trusted VPN from the Play Store or App Store, connect to a different region, then reopen Telegram and try logging in again. Solution 4. Contact Telegram support. If nothing works, reach out to Telegram support. Open your browser and search for Telegram support. Visit the official support page, fill out the form with your details, including your full name, email address, and phone number, then submit it. Usually, the support team responds within 24 hours. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix the "too many attempts" error on Telegram for both Android and iPhone. If this helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.